Ever wondered if your fridge knows too much about you? Imagine opening your fridge and finding a device that not only chills your food, but also tracks your habits. Smart fridges are evolving, equipped with cameras and sensors that monitor your consumption. They can even suggest recipes based on what's inside. But with all this tech comes a catch: data privacy concerns. Your fridge could potentially share your habits with companies sneaking a peek into your life. So is your kitchen appliance really just a silent observer or a high-tech spy? What do you think about smart fridges? Are they clever or creepy? Comment below.